John Hoover making his way down to the mats. Looking to compete here. Close out the night with some action as we await to see who his opponent will be.
Fighting out of the red corner from Sugar Land, Texas, representing Sugar Land MMA, this is Wyatt Nentwig.
And his opponent in the red corner, Wyatt Nentwig. Called one of his matches before. Ought to be an exciting bout. No gi, blue belts. Folks, we are ready to get underway. Hoover, Nentwig. Right now, 6 minutes on the clock. 135-pound blue belt division. Right away, they are scrapping. Hoover looking for the snap down. Nentwig looking to control the legs.
Side to side, Toriando.
Clear the knee line, clear the knee line. John, clear that knee line. There you go. Push your legs forward.
Nentwig is fishing for the knee early. Looking to pull.
Back step. Yes, pressure now. Pressure.
Hoover steps over. Nentwig doing a good job once again.
Get those feet away from him.
Head low, feet away. Get him on his back. Yes, sir.
Circle, double under.
Excellent job there by Hoover, popping those legs up to rotate around. The Nentwig scrambles, avoids the mount. Nentwig does an excellent job of finding those legs. And again, Hoover just looking to pop him up. This time Nentwig ready for it, comes back down and weaves through the legs.
Underhook. We're wrestling.
And we're back to wrestling. Hoover needs to be careful. Nentwig's looking for the darts, looking to drag him down to the mat. Roll through. Does Nentwig have the darts? Looking to sit through.
Cannot stay on our side.
Nentwig flattens him out.
We're not on our side, John. Where you flat or turtle? There you go.
Good.
Hoover coming up into the turtle position, trying to relieve some of that pressure.
Head up. Here we go.
Nentwig looked to jump into maybe a power guillotine or a power darts, could not get it. And once again, looking to pop up.
Keep pressure. Watch the leg. Circle, John. We're circling. Circle to the head. Keep the head pressure in.
Watch the triangles here. Watch the triangles.
And folks, and this is such a far cry from what we saw with the black belts. It's scramble, like we mentioned earlier. The blue belts.
Yes, heavy sprawl, John. Knee in front of our toes.
Sprawl that leg out.
Nentwig once again fishing, trying to get over the knee line, trying to create something with that leg lock. And Hoover is pressuring in. He's got his knee to the mat.
We can start taking the back when our knee line is there.
There you go. Sprawl that leg.
Yes,
sprawl that leg. Sprawl the leg.
Heavy sprawl.
Heavy
Control
sprawl.
the position, John.
Cook.
Head low. Head under the chin.
Head position.
Head under the
Nentwig
chin.
now
Heavy hips.
has that leg arched up, trying to regain his guard and get the pressure of Hoover off. And Hoover trying to pressure in and pass, trying to create something for himself.
Chest pressure. Watch the elevation to your right leg here.
Watch that butterfly hook. He's got it inserted. All right. If we need to disengage,
We can windshield wipe our right foot inside that leg here.
All right, sprawl, chest to chest. Keep him flat. Good sprawl.
Hoover now trying to flatten Nentwig out. Nentwig doing a good job with his elevators, gets to a butterfly.
Disengage, John. John, disengage. Okay, flatten him out. Watch out, watch it.
We talked about this, John. We talked about it. It's about time.
Let's go, John. If you collar tie, follow through. We talked about
Time,
it.
John.
Heavy collar tie. Let's go, follow through. There you go.
Trying to jump that arm, trying to jump the forearm is John Hoover. Can Nentwig escape?
There you go.
Get that arm straightened out. Trying to rotate. Ooh, that is a nasty position.
Strong legs here, John.
That's a nasty position. He has the wrist lock. And Nentwig rolls through.
Extend. Go for the...
Follow through.
Nentwig trying to scramble, get his arm clear. Nentwig clears it.
Good attack there.
And Nentwig coming up, bloody nose and bent arms.
Let's go.
Looking to fight, looking to scramble. And Hoover tries to jump it again. Looking for the same attack a second time. This time Nentwig
Back the
defends.
leg over the knee.
Stay low, keep our head low. Circle.
And Hoover has to be careful.
Watch the triangle, John.
He has to be careful. There's a triangle attempt there.
The ankles.
Tap! My goodness! Escaping is Wyatt Nentwig. Escaping from that submission attempt into a triangle. My goodness! The come from behind victory. What a matchup, what a showing for both competitors. My goodness. But it is Wyatt Nentwig who picks up the victory.
This is the action at 1 minute and 50 seconds. Your winner via triangle choke, fighting out of the red corner, Wyatt Nentwig.
Fantastic showing from John Hoover, but it is Wyatt Nentwig who had the grit, determination to survive and find the triangle choke. My goodness.